Yo, 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 yo. What is up, guys? JAMAICA'S came out here with another reaction. Today, guys, today we are here with Dutchavelli. Circle them ends. No, that's what the Jamaican enemy saying. Circle them ends. Circle the ends. Jamaican say, yo, we circle them ends. Coconut water is here. Yeah, coconut water is here. Yeah, it's here. Right here. I've upgraded from normal water to coconut water. Yeah, come and think. You know? And thank you guys for the 4K subs. Appreciate it. Thank you, no, like drunk, no. Thank you, no. So we're gonna jump straight into this one. Let's go. Let's see what Dutch office say. Let's go. So we'll pause every 10 seconds. We'll pause every 10 seconds. Probably even less than 10 seconds. We'll break down. Okay.
A movie by J.TV.
Okay. So, balaclava up. You know what I mean? Business, you know. Somebody go get it. I don't know who go get it, but let's see who go get it. Continue. Continue. Bombo clot. This song not drop it and the man have a rifle.
Man put two in the spinners, banged it and left these niggas tragic. Man's no.
Man put two in his spinners, bang it! I let them nigga ya tragic. Critical condition, critical!
Man put two in the spinners, banged it and left these niggas tragic. Man's known for more, pull dip. In fact, I hit double digits. I'm in the trap with Bridget. That's white girl, I don't need no one to mix it.
I'm in the trap with Bridget. That's white girl. I know how to mix it. So, not literally the white girl. Not literally the white girl. Like when in the video. No. The party drugs. The party drugs.
No niggas that breed a ting and then dissed it. Now they got scars to live with. Don't run.
I know niggas. Hold on, man. If you hear anything knocking on it's because it's raining outside, guys. It's raining outside really hard. So let's go.
Don't need no one to mix it. No niggas that breed a ting and then dissed it. Now they got scars to live with. Don't run when you see the biscuit. Get nervous. Try fidget.
I know nigga that tried the thing and dissed it. So I'm saying dissed it. Sorry, guys. I'm breaking down. Sorry.
Bridget. That's white girl. I don't need no one to mix it. No niggas that breed a ting and then dissed it. Now
I know nigga that pre the thing and then dissed it. Okay, so basically he must say him know a friend where him know people that was his friend and then dissed it.
Got scars to live with. Don't run when you see the biscuit. Get nervous. Try fidget.
Explain to me what is a biscuit term in this. Obviously we know what a biscuit is when you eat a biscuit. Consume a biscuit, but what is a biscuit term in this? Explain to me. Someone in the comment section, please.
Man, know what I do with this hammer, let's not be too specific. Man, I got bored of drill for a minute, but I never got bored of drilling.
Coconut, what's up? The man said, don't get it twisted, brother. We might get bored of drilling, of dropping like drill songs. But don't think say me ever get bored of drilling. Don't think that.
Man came round the corner skidding. I ain't trying to hit no civilian. No way before COVID-19 came, I knew about social distance.
Facts. Long before COVID, enough of them are wear masks. Long before COVID, them fake. Long before COVID, I know about social distance, so I've been keeping myself to myself. That is what Dutch is saying. Not me. I'm just the reactor.
Segregation for 14 weeks. I was on close condition. Ding dong is sofa driven. Got one in the head. Go right there. We don't catch no one slipping.
So basically, that Bardo just explained, I prison him talk about him social distance because he was in segregation, solitary confinement. Yeah, so yeah, that's how him explained this.
We'll go there again, yo. I might S-roll bop in the mains and watch them divert the traffic. Your boy got touched and you didn't do nothing.
Wait, man.
I might S-roll bop in the mains and watch them divert the traffic. Your boy got touched and you didn't do nothing. Man, nigga, you decided rapping.
Your friend get touched and you ain't never do nothing. Your friend get gunshot and you don't do nothing. Your friend get bullet and you don't do nothing, pussy. You're afraid like several cats. Afraid like several pussies. You can't do nothing. You can't defend nothing. You're just full of chat. You radio? You news? You're full of chat, bro. Defend your friend thing, brother. Defend your friend.
That ain't you embarrassing. One phone call I can make it happen. 17 shot clip made from plastic. Bombastic, no you ain't not badness.
So basically, the gun, what am I explaining that so is a modern gun because you don't know say the clip made from plastic, so it's light, it's easy for gal over. We don't say man over, you know, we say gal over. Jamaican say gal over, nothing to do with man. No manual. Yeah? Yeah. So easy for gal over. Don't know the thing. We judge with it. You see me? We judge with it. Caution! Light, yeah!
My name ain't killer, but please don't push me, cause I'll murder you and your friends. Shotgun shells just fall to the brim, it's time to go circle the ends.
My name ain't killer, but please don't push me. No push me. You don't want to see this, brother. Yo, look. Grab the attache. Tugs don't carry briefcase. Put the Glock against your ankle, 45 against your jeans waist. Go over, yo. No push it, brother. No push it.
All black Batmobile, back with Robin again. I come back and back your boy, cause I might just burn him again.
Come back.
Back with Robin again. I come back and back your boy, cause I might just burn him again.
Picture that, you know. Picture that bumbuckler, you know. Forward back, you so come back, your boy. Because I might just burn him again. Make him one already. Him they are going to bleed out. He not dead yet, you know. He not dead yet. You can come defend it. You can come defend it. Forward back, come back him. If not, he might get gunshot again. Gunshot. Grimy. Yeah. Don't run left when him get shot. Stay. Stay right there, so.
Hey, boy. Come back and back your brethren. Cash said that it's highly impressive how I came through this wave in the West End. Yeah.
Oh my God, back your brethren. See you to the ground? You see you to the ground? Gunshot him, get to the man, they must circle him. See him like a vulture. They must circle that. Vulture. Yeah?
And I ain't gonna ask no questions. I fire on my own discretion. This
Alright, that bar there.
came through this wave in the West End. Yeah. And I ain't gonna ask no questions. I fire on my own discretion.
Him came through waving a western. And him not have to ask no question. Him not have to ask nobody when him can fire this. Him fired him own discretion. You know what I mean? Him are him own boss. He is his own a boss. The boy can't tell him when to fire this. Me buy me gun them. Me lock me gun them. Son of boy can't tell me when to fire this. Me bad in a real life. That's what the boss will tell you. He no answer to nobody.
This one of my oldest weapons. Still kicking like David Beckham. Yo, two-tone rose gold Rolex.
Yeah. You're not gonna think you're not gonna think me I go pass that one there, Dutch? The man said, this is one of my favorite weapons. No, one of my oldest weapons. This is one of my oldest weapons. What I'm saying, oldest, right?
This one of my oldest.
One of my oldest weapons, still kicking like David Beckham. One of my oldest weapons, still kicking like David. That means say him clean down him rifle, him Smith and Wesson. Him clean it down, make sure say it nice and obviously one of the oldest, so it's gonna be one of my favorite and the one that probably have the most dopey on it because him have it the longest. You see me? So you don't know it's full of dopey. You see me? Serial number robot. Police don't ask me don't ask me know them thing there.
Weapons, still kicking like David Beckham. Yo, two-tone rose gold Rolex. Just matching my rose gold Cuban flex. The way
I don't get that bar. So can somebody explain that one?
Jumped out of the spaceship, they're saying that I'm not human. And what's good with all of these rumors? I swear some man are just deluded and
What's good with all of these rumors? I guess some man are just deluded. Is he referring back to his previous social media thing that was going on with him this year, innit? This year, though.
Never came up on public speaking. I built my career on music. Make money and keep it moving, that's my only objective.
I never came up on public speaking. Making music is my only objective. You see me? So, the whole social media thing, that's why I say not me. The whole social media thing is not on it. That's why I tell you that.
I built my career on music. Make money and keep it moving, that's my only objective. Them man there, they don't really want beef.
Money upon him, man. Then him go on to say, them man there, them no want no beef, brother. Not even corn beef you want. Not even corn beef, brother. That's why I say not me.
Gotta wait till selective. Keep your friends close, enemies closer. That's just the way we kept it.
Keep your friends close, but the enemies closer. That's just all the way we kept it, dog. Keep your friends close, brother. Keep your enemies closer, though. Because you don't know. You want to know your enemies every move, you see it?
I got bit by a snake last week. I think I need an antiseptic. My name ain't killer, but please don't push me.
I got bit by a snake last week. I think I need antiseptic. It doesn't mean literally snake, you know. It doesn't mean literally snake. I mean, when I'm friend them, backbite him. When I'm friend them, go around him. When I'm friend them, you see me? Yeah. So that's how I mean that.
Cause I'll murder you and your friends. Shotgun shells just full to the brim. It's time to go circle the ends. Circle the ends.
A shotgun, what am I using a dog? Shot you never dog. Gosh, I'm.
All black Batmobile, back with Robin again. I come back and back your boy, cause I might just burn him again. My name ain't killer.
Yo, come back, boy. I gotta kill him again. But that line there, bang.
But please don't push me, cause I'll murder you and your friends. Shotgun shells just full to the brim. It's time to go circle the ends. Circle the ends. All black Batmobile, back with Robin again.
Is he back to take his place, guys? Let me know in the comment section what you think. Is he back to take his place?
I come back and back your boy, cause I might just burn him again.
The reason why I asked that question there. Hold on, wait. Let me finish this song. Wait.
Tripping beats.
So, the reason why I asked that question there, when I just started doing reaction videos October last year, 2020, October, everyone was telling me to react to Dutchavelli. Dutchavelli is the hottest kid on the block right now. So, obviously, with the thing we're going with him and the stuff them where that was circulating on social media about him and stuff like that. Whether it's true or not, I don't know. But we have to admit, say him take a step back to try and make the thing that go. But obviously, him forward back with a song named Rumors, and him forward back with this now, Circle the End. So, on the thing say he's back to take his place. Let me know in the comment section what you think. Let me know actually what you think about the song also. You see me? And big up on yourself, big up everybody who there, big up the new subscribers. Thank you for the 4,000. It's a milestone. You see me? From October till now. Thank you now. I can't thank you enough. So hear that. So big up on yourself and have a good and productive day if you can be good. Be lucky if you have nothing good to say. Don't upset nobody. Don't say nothing. Peace.